quiz number 6, troubleshooting. This week's quiz is a bit different than your typical quizzes you have been doing in D2L. This week's quiz is a troubleshooting quiz. The goal in this week's quiz is to learn how to work with groups in groups, collaborate with your peers, utilize your peers, and develop troubleshooting skills. Here is the so-called problem. You've been asked by a client to make the following image, the duck that you see here. Try to duplicate as best as possible utilizing your peers, your Adobe Photoshop help, and your course notes. Your instructor will not answer any questions regarding the problem. This is all up to you. So the duck is located here in this troubleshooting quiz section of D2L for week 8. You will take the duck, open it in Photoshop, and reproduce what you see. This seems like an odd problem, but you will be surprised at how often this type of problem does occur in the workplace. Someone will come to you with a flattened JPEG, need some alterations, and tell you to recreate it. Here are the specifications that you do know. This is an RGB image. It's at 72 dpi. The total size is 440 pixels by 480 pixels. There are 2 adjustment layers. You need to make sure you label your layers appropriately. I want you to attach notes for documentation, and the final solution that you come up with should be uploaded to D2L Dropbox Quiz 6 Troubleshooting. There is a discussion open right now for you to use as you work through this project. I encourage you to collaborate with your peers. This is the only way you're going to solve this problem without taking hours and hours and hours. So like I mentioned, you will have 2 adjustment layers, so know that you'll have to figure out how that occurs. I will not answer any questions regarding this. This is a troubleshooting quiz. I want to see how good you are at collaborating, using your resources, and working in a deadline. Good luck.